Hi there. I'd like to introduce you to the all-new Panasonic 2-in-1 Convection Steam Oven with unique convection baking and steam cooking features. To begin, here's some good basic advice. Always keep your owner's manual handy for complete safety and food preparation instructions, and to learn all the unique features you'll want to use. Of course, regular care and cleaning will enhance your everyday use. So let's get to it. Outside surfaces should be cleaned with a damp cloth. Do not allow water to enter the ventilation openings or the air outlet. And don't use harsh detergents or abrasives on the control panel, which should always be kept dry. Inside, when the oven has cooled, clean splattered or spilled food with a damp cloth, using a mild detergent if needed to remove oily or greasy residue which can cause the oven to smoke when cooking. Also, when they are cooled, you can clean the bottom plate, door, and window with a clean, damp, soft cloth, again with a mild detergent if necessary, then wipe dry. After cleaning, close the door and press Stop Reset to clear the display window. By the way, on occasion, it's normal for steam to form inside or outside the oven door from cooking. Just give it a wipe once it's cooled. There are lots more tips in your manual, such as cleaning the integrated water tank and drip tray, the water piping, and removing oily residue and odors from the oven cavity. There's even a section on steam cleaning utensils, cookware, and feeding bottles. Check it out for more great tips and kitchen conveniences from Panasonic.
Panasonic.